Welcome to another exciting episode of Financial News in Review. Hold on to your seats because today's crypto news is absolutely wild. We've got shocking events, explosive market moves, and expert insights you'll want to hear to keep your investments on track.
From assassination attempts to Bitcoin surges, we'll break down how these dramatic events impact your wallet. We're curious about which experts hold the bullish view and who warns of risks. Stick around till the end.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay informed. First, CryptosRUs discusses a shocking assassination attempt on Trump and its impact on Bitcoin. Next, Ivan on Tech explores Bitcoin's stunning comeback, fueled by geopolitical chaos and Trump's influence. Altcoin Daily dives deep into conspiracy theories surrounding the Trump attack and its bullish effect on Bitcoin. Crypto Banter analyzes Bitcoin's mega pump and the key levels to watch in the current market. Benjamin Cowen brings his analytical prowess to discuss Bitcoin's bull market support band and potential future moves. Lark Davis reviews how Trump's assassination attempt sparked major market movements in Bitcoin. Coin Bureau explores the impending release of Mt. Gox Bitcoins and its potential market crash. Finally, Crypto Casey weighs in on whether Bitcoin is in a bear trap or headed for a market crash. Welcome back to CryptosRUs on YouTube. Today's episode is a roller coaster ride through some jaw-dropping events. Buckle up as we dive into assassination attempts, Bitcoin's price action, and what this could mean for the week ahead.
That's right, George Tung gives us a blend of shocking news and bullish predictions. Get ready to decode the madness and make sense of the mayhem.
So, what's the main scoop for today? What's got the crypto world buzzing?
The core of today's video is about an alleged assassination attempt on Donald Trump, its implications for the crypto market, and notably, bullish predictions for Bitcoin.
All right, start with the juicy stuff. What happened to Trump?
George explains there was an assassination attempt on Trump. Despite this, Trump plans to attend the Bitcoin 2024 conference next week. Talk about being unfazed.
Wow, that's wild. What security concerns did George highlight?
He mentioned questions about how security missed the shooter, raising theories about oversights or even potential conspiracies. It's like a real-life thriller.
And how does this connect to Bitcoin?
Trump's confirmed appearance at the Bitcoin conference is expected to electrify the event and boost Bitcoin's presence in political circles. Plus, Bitcoin's price is currently sitting at a healthy $61,000.
And amidst all this chaos, how's the market holding up?
Surprisingly well. George notes that recent FUD, especially from Germany's Mt. Gox liquidation, had minimal impact. The market ate it up.
What about Wall Street's role in all this?
Wall Street's interest is strong. $1 billion went into Bitcoin ETFs just last week. Institutional involvement is helping to stabilize and even boost the market.
All right, crystal ball time. What are George's predictions?
He's optimistic. He predicts Bitcoin could hit the high 60s or even 73,000 as we approach the Bitcoin conference.
Any short-term bumps he's watching for?
Yes, potential liquidations from Genesis or more Mt. Gox rumors could cause hiccups, but overall, George remains bullish.
Wrapping it up, what's the big takeaway here?
George concludes on a high note. He emphasizes viewing the current market as an opportunity to buy the dip and stresses the importance of patience. All signs point to a bullish week ahead.
Welcome to Altcoin Daily. Today's explosive topic, who shot Donald Trump and was BlackRock involved? Buckle up for the craziest ride of political and crypto intrigue.
Oh, it's a wild one. We're diving into the shocking assassination attempt on Donald Trump, a pro-Bitcoin presidential candidate, and the swirling theories that BlackRock and other political figures might be behind it. Hold on to your hats.
So, what's the main takeaway from this dramatic event?
The core thesis here is that the assassination attempt on Trump was potentially aimed at halting his support for Bitcoin and the crypto community. The video goes deep into various conspiracy theories, including possible involvement by major players like BlackRock.
Let's get into the nitty-gritty. What happened during the assassination attempt?
Trump, who was slated to speak at a Bitcoin conference in Nashville, survived a dramatic assassination attempt. The footage is intense. Total chaos ensued.
And Trump's response?
Unwavering. He's still determined to speak at the conference, showing strong support for Bitcoin and the broader crypto community.
That's some serious dedication. So what's the deal with crypto businesses and US regulations?
A lot of them are moving out due to hostile regulations. But Trump wants to stop this exodus by embracing crypto, aiming to keep these businesses on American soil.
Now, let's talk about the conspiracy theories. What's the juiciest speculation?
Some suggest BlackRock might be involved because the shooter appeared in one of their promotional videos. Others toss around political rivalry theories, but Biden's condemning speech rules him out for many.
That's a twist. And how did Bitcoin react to all this?
Interestingly, Bitcoin's price surged after the attack. Many believe a pro-crypto Trump win in the next election would be bullish for the market.
Speaking of Biden, what's this about his crypto roundtable?
Biden held a meeting with crypto leaders to discuss regulatory issues and soften his administration's stance on crypto. They're trying to convey the global significance and broader applications of crypto technology.
All right, time to gaze into the crystal ball. What are the predictions?
A Trump win would likely be bullish for the crypto market due to his supportive stance. Additionally, there's hope that Biden might soften his stance, benefiting the industry and keeping businesses stateside.
Summarizing it all, what are the big takeaways?
The video underscores the need for bipartisan support of crypto and the hope that both Trump and Biden become even more pro-crypto. Stay tuned for more updates and, of course, subscribe to Altcoin Daily for the latest in crypto news.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and boy, do we have a wild ride for you today. We're diving into Ivan on Tech's latest video titled Bitcoin Emergency Bullish Reversal 111, where Ivan explores a stunning Bitcoin comeback, the chaos in the US, and even a brush with danger involving Trump.
Exciting stuff. Ivan certainly knows how to keep us on the edge of our seats. Today, we're going to break down his insights, covering Bitcoin's market movements, geopolitical impacts, and predictions for the future.
So let's kick things off with the core thesis. What is Ivan getting at in this video?
Ivan's main point is that Bitcoin has staged a remarkable bullish reversal, breaking back into the $60,000 to $70,000 range. He attributes this recovery to recent geopolitical chaos, particularly a dramatic but failed assassination attempt on Trump, and the potential for favorable crypto regulations should Trump gain more political influence.
All right, let's dive into the key points. First up, tell us about Bitcoin's bullish momentum.
Certainly. Bitcoin has re-entered the $60,000 to $70,000 range, overcoming significant resistance. This recent pump marks a break from the extended bearish trend, and it's creating a resurgence of optimism in the market.
Next, let's talk about the geopolitical chaos Ivan mentioned.
Indeed, over the weekend, there was a failed assassination attempt on Trump. The media's downplayed coverage of the incident really highlighted the importance of decentralized information networks like social media and blockchain to counter centralized narratives.
Interesting. And how does Trump's influence tie into the crypto market, according to Ivan?
With Trump gaining political traction, there's a market sentiment that we could see less restrictive crypto regulations if he takes the lead. This Trump bid, as Ivan calls it, is already being priced into the market, boosting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies.
Right, now it's crystal ball time. What predictions did Ivan throw into the mix?
Ivan suggests that if market conditions mimic previous cycles, we could see Bitcoin hitting around $116,000 by the end of the year. It's a bold prediction, but he believes it's plausible given the current dynamics.
And what about overall market stability?
Ivan is optimistic that this bullish shift marks the beginning of a new cycle, which could herald increased market stability and attract more investor activity. Essentially, the market might be gearing up for a significant rally.
Bringing it all together, what are the main takeaways Ivan leaves us with?
Ivan wraps up with a rejuvenated outlook on Bitcoin, stressing the impact of current market dynamics and the significant role geopolitics and media narratives play in shaping financial trends. He advocates for strategic caution, urging everyone to stay plugged into the decentralized revolution that crypto represents.
Welcome to yet another electrifying episode of Crypto Banter. Today, we dive into the Bitcoin and crypto mega pump. Bitcoin's back up, almost reaching $63,000. It's been a wild ride, so let's break it down.
Absolutely. This pump is the talk of the town. Bitcoin has reclaimed the critical $60,000 mark, something we've been eyeing closely. Plus, market sentiment has had a nice makeover. Lots to discuss, so let's get into it.
So what's the main thesis of today's show? What's driving this mega pump?
The core thesis here is that Bitcoin's reclaiming of $60,000 is a strong bullish signal underscored by a market sentiment reset seen in the Fear and Greed Index and various technical indicators. We're poised for higher prices in the months to come.
All right, let's break it down. First off, how about that market sentiment shift?
It's fascinating. The Fear and Greed Index dropped to as low as 28 and now it's at 52. This reset is crucial. RSIs on high timeframes have also reset, indicating we're primed for higher prices soon.
And how about the spot markets versus perpetuals? What's happening there?
Great question. Spot prices are leading the charge, which is a healthy and bullish sign. Anytime spot prices lead perpetuals, we usually see a significant upward move. And there's been a short squeeze, adding fuel to this fire.
Interesting. Now, let's dig into the global factors affecting the market. Germany's got some egg on its face, huh?
Big time. Germany sold all their Bitcoin at what appears to be the market bottom, absorbing all this by spot ETFs. Poor timing for them, great timing for retail and institutional investors.
Speaking of timing, the Trump trade is the buzzword today. What's that all about?
Indeed, Trump's political narrative pegging him as the crypto president is bringing new liquidity into the market. It's bullish for Bitcoin and even other sectors he supports, like oil and gas, but bearish for renewable energies and healthcare, tied to Democrat policies.
All right, crystal ball time. What are the key predictions from this episode?
Short term, we're looking at a move towards $65,000 before hitting significant resistance at $66,000. Depending on how the market reacts, either a pullback or a surge past these levels is on the table. Longer term, events like the Bitcoin Nashville conference featuring Trump could inject fresh liquidity and excitement into the market.
And what should traders watch out for in terms of sentiment?
Bulls need to hold the sidewards price action for a bit longer to ensure a bullish reset. Overall, maintaining these levels and watching for new events could solidify the uptrend.
So, wrapping it up, what are the key takeaways from this mega pump episode?
Bitcoin is well positioned for upward momentum if it can maintain these key levels. The market sentiment reset offers a fresh start for traders. Keep an eye on resistance around $66,000 and be mindful of global events like Trump's speeches. They could be catalysts for further price action.
Welcome back to the Benjamin Cowen Show on YouTube. Today we're diving into Bitcoin's latest roller coaster ride, focusing on the bull market support band. Benjamin Cowen is here with some high-octane insights on Bitcoin's past moves and what might be in store for us next.
Absolutely. Benjamin's vast experience in the crypto world makes him the perfect guide as we interpret Bitcoin's current market maneuvers. This one's bound to be a thrill ride.
All right, let's get into the meaty bits. What's the core idea Benjamin presented in his latest video?
At the heart of it, Benjamin delves into Bitcoin's recent move above the 21-week EMA. He questions whether this hints at an impending rally or if it's just a momentary spike. He uses historical data from 2013 and 2019 to ground his analysis and point us in the right direction.
Got it. So let's break down those key points. What's happening with Bitcoin right now?
Bitcoin has managed to get back above the 21-week EMA in recent days, creating some buzz. However, to reach its 20-week SMA, it still needs to bump up another $33,000.
Quite the steep hill to climb. How does Benjamin compare this with historical patterns?
Well, he draws parallels with Bitcoin's behavior in 2013 and 2019. Back then, after dipping below the bull market support band, Bitcoin saw notable rallies, although these weren't always sustainable in the long term.
So what about future predictions? Any crystal ball moments?
Benjamin anticipates that Q4 could either be markedly bullish or bearish. If history echoes itself, we might see Bitcoin cooling off during summer and then ramping up for a grand Q4 rally, much like in 2013.
And in the short term, anything we should be bracing for?
He suggests a possible short-term pullback to the 21-week EMA before any major upward momentum can establish itself. It's like Bitcoin taking a breather before the big show.
So wrapping it up, What are the big takeaways?
In essence, Benjamin advises preparedness for both bullish and bearish outcomes. While he finds historical patterns instructive, he emphasizes that 2024 could break the mold. Staying Bitcoin heavy in your portfolio could mitigate risk and provide upside potential.
Welcome back to the Lark Davis channel on YouTube. Hold on to your hats because today's episode is a wild one. We've got an attempted assassination on Trump shaking up the crypto market. Lark Davis dives into the chaos and what it means for your crypto holdings.
Absolutely. Buckle up as we break down the political drama, market reactions, and what this could mean for your crypto fortunes. Let's dive in.
To kick things off, what's the main twist in today's video?
The core thesis is that the attempted assassination of Trump resulted in a massive market reaction, pushing Bitcoin upward. This event has significant implications for the pro-crypto stance in America.
All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. What was the market's initial reaction to the assassination attempt?
It was pandemonium. A lone gunman narrowly missed Trump, causing markets to go haywire. Bitcoin and other cryptos saw an immediate pump.
Yikes! Now, how does this tie into the political landscape?
Despite the chaos, Trump's approval ratings are soaring. A near-death experience tends to do that. More importantly for us, it's boosting his pro-crypto stance, which is likely to draw in single-issue crypto voters.
Got it. So the crypto market analysis, what's the technical lowdown?
Lark points out that Bitcoin has reclaimed the 200-day exponential moving average, a key level we've been eyeing for a bullish market. Now we need to see if this momentum can hold.
Interesting. Any insights on Bitcoin ETF flows?
Loads. A staggering $310 million flowed into Bitcoin ETFs in one day last week. This level of institutional interest indicates we could see more robust investments keeping the market afloat.
Time to whip out that crystal ball. What future trends does Lark foresee?
Lark is cautiously optimistic. He predicts Bitcoin might push up to $72,000, provided the momentum holds. But watch out, he reminds us, because the market remains fragile.
What about the political angle?
Trump's post-assassination attempt popularity boost might drive pro-crypto policies. It's a win for those holding on to their crypto in the hopes of favorable regulations.
To sum it all up, what should our viewers take away from all this excitement?
Be cautiously optimistic. The market's on a wild ride fueled by political drama and institutional investments. Keep an eye on those technical indicators and be prepared for a few bumps along the way.
Welcome to Coin Bureau's YouTube channel. Today's episode is all about the potential Mt. Gox Bitcoin crash. Should we prepare for Bitcoin to plummet? Let's dive in.
That's right. We're digging into the history, the current state of affairs, and most importantly, the potential market impact of 140,000 Bitcoin being released from the Mt. Gox bankruptcy case.
So what's the big deal with Mt. Gox and this Bitcoin release?
In a nutshell, the release of 140,000 Bitcoin to creditors could heavily disrupt the market. The key question is whether those receiving the payout will sell all at once, trickle it out, or hold on to it for dear life.
Let's lay some groundwork. What was Mt. Gox and why is it so infamous?
Mt. Gox was the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange about 10 years ago until it was hacked, losing between 650,000 to 800,000 Bitcoin. This led to its insolvency and bankruptcy.
Fast forward to today, what's the latest development?
The bankruptcy trustee has finally begun distributing the recovered 140,000 Bitcoin to creditors, amounting to around $7.9 billion. If sold all at once, it could significantly impact Bitcoin's price.
What's the timeline for these distributions?
The process could take from 30 days to 3 months, depending on various criteria. Most of the Bitcoin is still in cold wallets for now.
So who exactly are these creditors?
Claims are highly concentrated. The top 1%, or 226 creditors, hold more than the combined claims of the bottom 50%. Big names include investment funds like MGIF and Fortress Investment Group, as well as individual whales like Roger Ver.
How might these creditors' actions affect the market?
Some are expected to sell, adding selling pressure to the market. However, many individual creditors plan to hold, and large funds might opt for OTC trades to minimize market impact.
Market sentiment is already shaky. What's the potential impact of this FUD?
Fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD about the mass selling have already impacted Bitcoin's price. Rumors and large transfers could create a self-fulfilling prophecy, especially given the current skittish market sentiment.
All right, what's the crystal ball saying about future developments?
First, expect mixed selling pressure. Some large creditors will likely sell, while individual creditors may hold to reduce the overall pressure. Second, anticipate short-term price volatility. Bitcoin's price might dip initially, but is expected to recover as the market adjusts.
So what's the final takeaway here?
The Mt. Gox Bitcoin release is significant, but it's not an apocalypse. Some selling pressure will occur, but Bitcoin has weathered similar storms before and is likely to do so again. Stay informed and stay calm.
Welcome to another episode on the Crypto Casey channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic. Is Bitcoin trapped by the bears or on the brink of blasting off? Crypto Casey, our go-to guru, is here to enlighten us.
Absolutely. With years in the crypto trenches, Crypto Casey provides crucial insights into whether we're facing a bear trap or an impending market dive. Let's dig in.
So, what's the main thesis Crypto Casey is putting forward? Are the bears winning or are they about to get a surprise?
The core idea is that Bitcoin and the crypto markets are probably in a bear trap. Essentially, it's a deceptive price decline, making traders think the market is bearish, only for the prices to rebound, leaving shorts with singed fingers.
Got it. Let's break down the factors. What's pushing Bitcoin's price down?
First, we have the Mt. Gox exchange repaying clients in Bitcoin. Then the German government is offloading its seized Bitcoin. Genesis, another platform, is repaying creditors, and there's some hand-wringing about Bitcoin miners potentially selling their holdings. Talk about a perfect storm.
That's intense. What does historical data tell us about these patterns?
History shows us these cycles quite clearly. Past occurrences in 2017, 2018, and 2020-2021 had similar bear traps before prices rocketed to new highs. We're probably in the hope phase right now, just a step away from optimism and thrill.
Speaking of rockets, any predictions on where we might land?
Crypto Casey thinks we might see Bitcoin soaring towards $90,000 and maybe even break the coveted $100,000 mark. Fasten your seatbelts.
So what should we look out for to navigate this wild ride?
3 key things. First, the Bitcoin dominance chart, which tells us when money will move from Bitcoin to altcoins. Second, the phases of altcoin season, the last phase being altcoins going absolutely bonkers. Finally, Tether's market cap. If money keeps flowing in, we're still in the game.
Any other juicy predictions?
We could see Bitcoin's bull run rekindled with Federal Reserve rate cuts and the approval of more spot ETFs for Ethereum, and maybe even Solana. Big tailwinds for crypto.
Sounds like we're in for a roller coaster. Any parting wisdom from Casey?
Absolutely. This could be a game-changing bull cycle, especially if historical patterns hold true. On top of that, major macro developments like rate cuts and ETF approvals can be huge positive triggers. Now might be the time to buckle up and dive in.
In today's summaries, CryptosRUs and Ivan on Tech thrilled us with Bitcoin's bullish momentum, predicting incredibly high prices.
Altcoin Daily and Crypto Banter find Trump's pro-crypto stance bullish, but caution is advised around resistance levels.
Benjamin Cowen offers a balanced view, relating current market behavior to historical patterns.
Lark Davis and Coin Bureau warn of potential market crashes from the Mt. Gox Bitcoin release.
Crypto Casey suggests current downtrends may just be a bear trap, leading to explosive gains.
Stay tuned for more updates, and remember to like and subscribe for your dose of concise, valuable financial insights.
Thanks for watching the day's top cryptocurrency news videos in review for July 15th, 2024. If you'd like more time-saving content, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have ideas for more channels you'd like to see summarized, drop a comment below. See you next time.